So, sige yun, meron hotel dito. Ang hotel nitong maliit na hotel. Oh. Matatanda ito. I like this, really like this village because it's old and interesting building. Yan. Punta tayo sa may market. Aha. It's always have a flower market here. But now, today, maybe I think they have the flower market on weekends. Because, oh yeah, look at the buildings. Old. This is the best. Denmark is really nice, and also near into the water. So there is you can eat that hot dog that I told you, but we will do that later on. Yan, this one. This is Denmark flag. It used to be. No, it's like red and white. I don't know because my husband just explained to me, but I didn't hear it, so I don't know. So anyway, this is the city. Oh, magaling pa si Pari. Trabaho. Ayan, mga sign. Galing nitong sign. Oh, cute. Yung mga nabibili ng mga sign. Going. So because as you see, me and my husband have day off, 3 days off, and we gunagunahin na kami punta dito sa Denmark. So enjoy ha. Punta tayo. Ayan oh. Yan, that is the building. Oh, look at this beautiful city. So, ito ang city na small city sa Denmark. Meron din silang mga gadget, mga abubot, hindi man abubot. Laka, mas mahal ito. Second hand. Mas mahal ang Sweden. Mas mahal dito sa Denmark. Expensive than Sweden. But it's worth it. You know, the ticket is 350 crowns, which is in Philippine money, I don't know. Yeah, 1,800 for only one way. Oh yeah, okay, pabalik daw. Pero anyway, it's mahal din yun. Ari pa oh, yung mga building nila. Oh. Yan, yung mga flowery. This is Mariboard. So, this is the place sa summer, full of people here. Today it's good because it's not so many and it's nice weather. Well, punta tayo din sa may tawag ito? Outside restaurant. Dito. Every summer, full of people. So, oh, ayun, may sila. The church, I think. It's like, maybe we can go every single street. Oh, I can't walk here because the sign is for bicycle. Bicycle daw yun. So, yeah. I don't know this called, is it cloister? I don't know in English. Monastery. My husband said it called monastery. Kloster på svensk and Swedish. So, I think we are going inside or we can't. Oh, yes. We can go. Yeah, and then that's the garden.
So it is still Monday.
So in Monday it's closed. So we have to be here outside, but it's really nice. Sama. Ito ang mga neighbor nila, neighbor ng monastery. Really nice. Look at this stone. This is old, very old stone. Yeah. Oh, nice art. Wall art. Galing ni pare ah. Wow. Yan yung mga bahay. Ang gaganda ang kulay. Iba't iba ang kulay. May yellow, may red. Tsaka ayun. Ang galing. Ngayon punta tayo dun. Tingnan natin kung ano yung naroon. Monastery din yata yun. I think this is also monastery. Yan. Doon po. Doon punta tayo sa, sabi na aking asawa, ngayon na daw pumunta dahil close pala yung monastery. So we're going doon sa dito sa castle na yun. Yun, yung castle sa dito sa Denmark. Yan. O ito. Ito pa niyo yung ganlan dito. Ito yung track ng train. I don't know if it's still working. Maybe. So, punta tayo doon sa sa castle. Let's go. Samahan niyo ako. Ito yung aking asawa doon. Naka-ready to go. Ready to rock and roll. Parang punta sa gira. Lagi naka-backpack. Yeah, aking mga gadget yun. Kawawa naman si Bobby.
Fin bild med majsgrus och tågspår.
Ja, vänta. Yan. Ito. Yung harbor din nila ito. So doon may mga restaurant doon sa taas. Cafe. So, right. Blah, blah, blah. Yun. Galing, 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 galing. Ang ganda ang ganda nun paligid natin. Really nice. Ito mga tao dito, minsan dito sila naglalan, tsaka sunbathing. So in case you follow on the water. So, yun. Ay, meron doon. I will look to the lady with silver. I don't know. We will see. So, lighthouse ship. Ship. Ito ang kanilang mga bangka. Yun. Ang castle. At nasa behind. This little village is really nice, very cozy, amazing. This is one. I don't know what is they called, but this is the sign of the Helsingør, I think. The man who is looking at the water and wishing that he can find mermaid. Maybe his lover or big shark. Really nice. Look, I think it made of 10. I don't know. Silver, no. But it's nice. Yeah, that's me. Hi. Yan, alas 12 na kaya ang simbahan ay nag-kikring. Already 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's why every bells are ringing. So, gayon din mas sa atin ano. It's everywhere. The church is ringing when it's maybe 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Yan, punta tayo. It says, yan, yun doon daw yung castle. This is the around castle. We're going doon. Stroll around the barracks. Yun. 5 minutes.
Vi går så går vi över så går vi in. Där var vi sist så gick vi.
Yeah. So we look.
Vi går in och går upp.
We look. Yan ang entrance. Tayo ng entrance. We're going to the castle. Castle? Castle yun. Ika. Do I know? I think I'm in there where we go. This castle. Ayun, yung mga ano ah. Tingnan nyo itong mga ano. Tingnan nyo. Yung kanyo. Kanyon. Tayo kanyon sa Tagalog. In English, I don't know. Canyon. Yeah. Canon. Yan. This is the symbol. That's I think the symbol. Oh. They made it this made of bronze. I think steel. Yeah. That is the castle that we're going. It looked like really cool. Yes, it. No, an entrance sa entrance. It says 1735. Oh, the other one, this one is yung aking kamay. 1690, but the bricks one, this one red is 1735. That. Look at the door. I will show you later. This interesting door. Interesting door. Really nice.
So many countries do look like that.
Yeah, this is the entrance. Doon, toilet doon. Nagpipicture, madaming mga tao, nagpipicture. Ayun. Okay, look at the may camera din. Yan, this is the Danish castle. If you wanna go inside, you have to buy a ticket, but today it's not today. We're going to go around and explore. Maybe one day. Yan, yung likod. Pasok tayo. Kita natin sa likod. Oh. Bago yun, malaki. Really big. Big place. And yeah. That is the castle. Ito. Nice yung anong bahay sa sa dito sa kabila, katapat siguro yung mga guard house. Ito yung likod canyon. Meron din kainan sila konti. May restaurant doon. Ang ganda ng ng nakalangitan. So we're going here. Yung asawa ko nangunguna na. Ay ako ilang 1 kilometer behind him because he got longer legs than me. Kulit. Pasok tayo dito sa kuweba. Yun. Kaya paglabas nun. Uy! Oh! Ang ibon. Sumalpo kay Kaduray. Kuha naman. Sayang at yung ano kayang naroon sa taas. Let's see what, water. Tubig na uli. Yan, yung mga malaking boat. Hindi. Passing by. The big boat passing by. Galing naman ng life ng dito. King and Queen. Yan, si ate. Again, part 2. Ang mama at susundan. Wala ang sun. Beautiful na yun. May isda. Fishing. They're going fishing. Okay, mahuli. They will caught maybe cod. Anong tawag doon? Cod. And pating. The neighbor from Helsingborg. Yun. So you can see, it's too near. It's too close. Very close. That's why we are neighbor. Yan, lakad-lakad tayo pag may time. Ayan, mahangin na. Ayan ang the flower. Apple flower. Yan ang apple, Yung behind castle. Natin yan, para mga bundok, parang sa chocolate house, chocolate hills sa atin. Ang galing. So, we are in the side of this castle. Every summer, sila, pero silang may renovation. So, siyempre, hindi pwede naman sa hindi pwede sila sa mag-renovation sa winter dahil malamig. This is the entrance to go. Mahal. It's expensive. Yan si Kuya nagbabantay. Kala niyo ako binabantay dahil ako'y laging susugod na walang bayad. Charot. Yan. At ito nyo ang wall. Oh. Yun, meron din silang swan. Galing. Oh, ang kanilang yung sinisindihan yan. Ganda nito sa gabi, siguro. Sinisindihan nila yun. Yun, hanggang doon. They're firing this in the night. Really beautiful. I think I haven't been here night time. Maybe it's close. So that is the swan. I think swan have been here long. Hala, pasok doon tayo. Yung tao ay pumasok ay papasok din. Alam niyo mas kaduray. Napasok kahit saan. Ang galing. Ano pala dito? Malamig. Spelke. Look at this sun. I'm trying to hide. Now I'm never gonna let you go. Aha. Ay, sa tubig pala yun. Yun. Galing. Palabas na. Tayo muna pumunta sa kubita. Doon ang kubita. Sa toilet. Yan, tapos na tayo. Lumabas na tayo. Ngayon, punta tayo doon sa baka sa market, sa food market. Kung sila open today. So we'll see what we can find. I'm getting hungry now. And tingnan natin, baka doon yung mangungut-ngut. Ang tawag yung mangungut-ngut. So, see you later.